So let's see. We have a few minutes for questions and answers. I have not been monitoring to the chat. Did we see any come in? I don't think so. So just sorry, those of you who were speaking, so Kevin and Jim, if you could put on your cameras, thank you very much. And yeah, go ahead and put any of the questions that you might have for our speakers in the chat. Okay, so Clive says here, any idea when ANCSA 2.0 will be released, Sarah?
I know, soon. We keep we are planning to put out a draft, and I do actually expect that to be out relatively soon. So you'll get a chance to see what that looks like, and so a chance for some feedback.
This will be a draft for community comment.
Okay. Yes.
And I can speak from personal experience. We really appreciate any comments we can get from the community about our solicitations. We have a very specific view of what it looks like, and we want to know how it would work for you all who are proposing. So please do provide Sarah at all as much feedback as possible. Okay, any other questions for Jim or Kevin or Sarah? I feel like we need some Jeopardy music.
Well, while we're waiting for people to think of a question, I can just mention that on the gateway, there is a long-term strategy where we've identified a lot of science that can be done looking back at the surface of the moon, but as well as in the environment. And so future solicitations for those opportunities will be coming out as appropriate. But there's nothing in the near term, but just so folks can be thinking about, this is something that heliophysics is looking to invest in. So
great. Lots of opportunities to do science.
I will say, Amanda, that looking across our presentations and some of the other ones today, there really are a lot of opportunities out there for community to participate in. So I'm really looking forward to hearing from this community and getting some of the science going.
Yes. Okay. Wait one more minute, and then we have a break starting at 45. And then we will hear more about the decadal. We'll have some presentations from the planetary science and astrobiology decadal, which are, of course, very relevant to the community we have here. So, okay, I'm just gonna make the executive decision to start our break early.